Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to use a slider object inside of the web server to control and monitor the value of an analog output from the PLC. So the first thing is to set up your analog output. So here on the integrated I/O, we've set our analog output A00 as a voltage 0 to 10 VDC generator. And now let's go to the visualization object and drag and drop a slider from the Common Controls tab. Okay. We can resize the slider, and now accessing the properties from the slider, what I want to change is the variable that the slider is going to modify the value, and it's going to be our A00, which is our analog output 0 variable. Okay, in the scale, let's adjust the scale end up to 30,000. Okay, and let's use this text field to monitor the voltage my analog output is generating. So what I did here is I placed a text field, and in the text variables, I selected my A00 divided by 30,000, so I can see the value in voltage in 0 to 10 VDC. And in the text tab, I just place a placeholder %.2f, so I can see the value as a float. As I'm dividing by 30,000 by 3,000, I want to see the decimal values of this result. Okay, so now I can log in into my PLC and we can test if this is working. Go to my web server, which is running on my browser. Okay, now my web server is loaded. I can now adjust the value of my slider, and here we can monitor the value in voltage of my analog output. So I adjust this to the maximum. I should be able to see up to 10 volts here, and on the minimum I should see 0 volts. And if I want to monitor the A00 register, I can go back to Master Tool, and here on the integrated I/O GVL, I can actually see the current value of my A00 register.